My name is Thomas O'Neill, and for War Week, I made a 3D printer. It took probably around 60 hours, maybe 70 hours. We bought a 3D printer kit, and that comes with all the components necessary to make the printer. The screws, bolts, the heated bed, extruder, simple filament. You have to construct the whole thing. So every small, little teeny tiny 1mm screw. The whole kit together costs around $350 with our filament that we also ordered, this black PLA filament, around 20 bucks for that. So maybe total cost $370. This specific 3D printer can print in PLA, which is polylactic acid. We heat up this plastic filament up to around 230 degrees, as low as 180. This is a wood PLA filament, which is around a 20% wood particle composite. This will stain just like wood. We can add a second extruder onto it, so we can print in two colors at the same time. We have room on the Arduino board to put another extruder controller on. If we really wanted to, we can print the base in black or white or even rubber or even a dissolvable filament. Yeah, the hardest part, I would say, is troubleshooting, finding answers online. I've never worked with electrical components before. Polarity was foreign to me. I've never done wire stripping, wiring. I would say that kind of learning curve was challenging. Finding the answers, because every printer is different. Every construction is different, so when you're looking for answers, you need to find the exact printer you're working on, exact pieces you're looking for. So our printer, because we had to make it ourselves, to make it cheaper, all the plastic components were 3D printed beforehand. So then we just got those pieces and put them all together. We could in turn 3D print our own pieces again and just buy the actual metal components and the hardware, then use that to build an army of 3D printers. I think one of the cool things about 3D printing is you can make anything you need, and if you have the experience, you can also create what you need. Because you can print anything, you can use it for fun, create models, but you could also use it for functionality, so screws for somebody, hinges, moving objects. Next step would be to create a 3D scanner and then scan objects in and 3D print those objects.